Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very crispy cream puffs with Diplomat cream. So let's get started. Turn on the high heat. Heat the butter, water, and salt until fully boiling. Lower the heat, add the flour at one time, and stir quickly. Cook on low heat for 1 or 2 minutes. Next, we transfer the dough into a bowl. Beat the eggs first. Then add them gradually, like little by little. Use mixer to mix them well each time. After you add the egg, like this. More. Okay, last one. The dough is ready when it falls slowly. And as you can see, the form is like a V shape. Then we transfer the dough into a piping bag. Okay, now we put this away. We need to use it later. Okay, the second part, we just need to mix everything together. Butter. You can use your hands or you can use a spatula or use glove. I prefer use my hands. So just press into a dough. Okay, good. Then we need a parchment paper and a roller. We put the dough between the parchment paper. You can press a little at first. It's easier to roll. Okay, that's what I want. Then we put in the freezer. Freeze until firm. Now let's make a caramel butter sauce. Turn on the heat, very low heat. Okay, so we put butter first. I think sugar, maple syrup. You can use honey also. So we heat everything on the lowest heat except flour and until fully melted. And now we can put flour, mix until smooth. Do not use high heat, okay? Because you don't want to burn the sauce. See the colors, so beautiful. When there's no dry flour, we can turn off the heat. See how beautiful. Then we transfer to a piping bag. Be careful because the sauce is still hot. Put it away. Now you need another parchment paper and a pen and a mold. You just draw circle on parchment paper. Draw a circle, like this. Then you need a tray. This is my tray. I don't have a bigger tray, so that's why I only draw 6. So we don't use this side, we use another side. But you can still see the circle in this side. Remember the first thing we made? The dough. Okay. Now we need to pat the dough inside this circle. Okay, we put this away. Then we use the same mold cut like this. Okay, the second one. Put them on each puffs. Then we pat the caramel butter sauce on the top. Let's bake at 340 Fahrenheit, 35 minutes. Now we mix the egg yolk, sugar, cornstarch, put them together. Mix them until smooth. Okay, like this. Good. We need to microwave the milk on high heat for 2 minutes. Slowly pour the hot milk into the mixture. Strain the mixture into a saucepan. Turn on the heat. We need to cook on the lowest heat. Stirring constantly until thick. That's what we want. Turn off the heat. Remove from the heat and we add butter. Let it melt. Okay, perfect. Now we transfer into a small bowl. Cover the plastic wrap. We need touching the surface like this. Okay. We put into a fridge. Chill it for a bit. Now we whip the cream with sugar until soft bake form. Okay, like this. Then we take the pastry cream. We need to whisk this cream until smooth before using. So just slowly. Combine both creams together. Mix until smooth. Then transfer to a piping bag. Okay. Puff is ready. I think I made it too big, so that's why they need more space. But see, it's very crispy. Poke a small hole in the bottom. Pop the cream inside. Ooh. Okay, like this. You can also add some jam inside. Just make more flavor. See how big it is. Okay, let's try.